Hi family, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, if you are old and coming back, I say welcome and thank you so much for being here today. In this video, we're going to be doing a fall decorate with me. I'm going to be decorating my living room and my entrance way. I'm not going to be doing too much, but also I'm not going to be doing little, I would say, but I just want to keep it right in the middle. I don't want to put too much stuff out for this fall because we are right now, as I do this decorate with me, we have our house on the market. So yeah, that's why I haven't been posting any video, because we have been trying to keep the house clean and neat, and not I didn't want to put too much decorations. I removed some of my decoration from around the house because personally we have our house on the market. That's why you guys haven't been seeing me, because I have been so busy trying to get a house ready for the market. I didn't know that this is how stressful it is for you to live in a house and have it on the market. It is so stressful. I didn't know this is how long it was going to take, the process. The process alone is not easy, but into this video I'm just gonna try to even though we still have the house on the market, but I just want to freshen it up a little bit, like I said, because we still live here and it just feel too empty for me. So I'm gonna try to do some fall decorating today. So I'm gonna start with the entrance table. All I did was just to wipe it down because it was a little bit dusty, so I just went ahead and wipe it down. And you guys know how much I love this. My piece is my all year around. I do not remove that piece because I don't want it to break, or I don't want to put it in a place that it's gonna get scratched. So I just keep it right there because it just fit right there. So I never switch it up. This is my first time decorating on my channel for fall. I'm a Christmas spring person, so for me decorating for fall, I'm just playing around with some things and seeing what I like and stuff like that. So some of my fall decor I'm going to be using are things that I already had from last year, and then I just went out and bought a couple of pieces, and that's what I'm going to be including into this video as well. So that vase that I just put up there, I got that vase from Home Goods, and then the pumpkins that is on top, all of the books came from Home Goods, and then that big vase you guys saw sitting over there that never moves, it came from Home Goods. I love that piece so much. That's one of my favorite house pieces that I pick up from Home Goods. And then the books that you guys see me flipping through, I got that books from Amazon, and the stand that I'm gonna put the books on. And then also to all of the the flowers, like the brown flowers that is in the vase, I got all of that from Target. I love that the color of the flower, or I would say if that's a flower or that's a peaks. I really love the brown looking color, so that's exactly what I was looking for when I went to Target and I saw it, and then I had to pick it up. So I got 6 of it from Target, like I said, and that is it for this entranceway table. Like I said, we still have our house on the market, so I don't want to overcrowd it. I don't want to do too much, but also I just want to have the fall vibe going on in this space, because like I said, we still live here. So I just wanted some changes around the house, so that's exactly what I did. You guys do let me know what you're thinking about the entranceway table. So right now I just move on to the TV stand. I'm gonna be wiping it down as well, because I just feel like when you bringing in new pieces, you have to make sure that the space is clean. That's my own decorating and cleaning strategies that I always use in all of my video. If you go back to watch some of my clean with me and decorate with me videos, I always clean my space before I can bring in new piece. Whether it is dirty, sometimes you know the dust is there, but you can't really see it because of the furniture, because some furniture are really good at hiding the dust. So I would just go ahead and just wipe it anyway. So right now I move on to the TV stand. I'm not gonna do too much in this space because, like I said, from the beginning of this video that we have our house on the market. So I don't want to overcrowd it because we still having a showing still going on. People are coming in and out. So I want to make sure that this space is not overcrowded so it can look smart. So that's why I'm not going to be putting too much stuff in places, but also too I'm gonna make sure that the house is giving me the fall vibe, cozy look like I'm looking for. So the pumpkin that you see on the end came from Home Goods, and then the rest of the stuff I had it before. And then I am moving on to my coffee table. I love this coffee table. I got this coffee table from a furniture store they call Value City. I love this coffee table, but my problem is the cleaning. I have a 1 year old that love playing on this glass table, y'all. I try my best to keep it clean, but you guys know it's mirror, so all of the fingerprint shows on it. It is all work to keep it clean all the time. And yeah, so right now I'm just moving on. I this box I got it from Home Goods. I had it for, I think, I would say for a while now. And then the pumpkins that is untied, the books came from Home Goods. All of the books got them from Home Goods. I never, all the time I used to go to Home Goods, I never really thought that Home Goods really had a good coffee table book still. I started looking. Y'all, they have some amazing coffee table books with the, I love coffee table books with like the leaning back cover. I love that so much. So whenever I see it at Home Goods, I just go ahead and grab it. So that was it for the coffee table. Like I said, my daughter now, she even climbs on that table and sit on it. That's how that's where we have gotten. So the pillow that you see me right there that I just put down, that came from Home Goods. And then the second pillow, the cover came from Amazon. And then I already had the insert, which was a pillow that I got from Home Goods. I just removed the cover and then put this one from Amazon. I love the brown, the white, the black, all of them just giving a fall vibe that I am loving. So yes. And then right now I just moved to the other side of the couch, and also too I'm just going right ahead and just adding it. For some reason I like my pillows on my couch to match. I know some people like to mismatch. I love that as well, but if it is a seasonal pillow, I want to make sure that it is matching on both sides of this, because this is a sessional. So I just want to make sure that I keep all of the pillows the same color, if that makes sense. So I'm putting like 2 on one side, 2 in the middle, and then 2 on the other side. I don't want to put too much pillows because we need space to sit down, and also like I said, we have people coming in, so I want to make sure it is not too much going on in here. So I'm just gonna change that greenery that I really love. I put that greenery over there from the decorate with me that I did for spring, and since then that's where it have been. But this time around I just want to change it because it's fall, so I want to bring some fall vibe in this space. So I'm gonna bring in this vase. Oh my god, I love this flower that I got from Hobby Lobby. I love it so much. I love the color. It gave me like that orange, a burnt orange look like I really love for fall. And then this little blanket came from Home Goods. I bought this during the, I think the spring, during the spring when I was at Home Goods, and I saw it. I was like, oh my god, this gonna look so good on my couch for the fall. So I have got it since, and I've been keeping it. And I even did a Home Goods haul with me, and I show you guys this throw blanket in that video. So I have kept it, and today it is out and ready to go for fall. And then this black, kind of black and cream, on the camera is showing white, but it's black and kind of cream color, which I love so much. And that came from Home Goods, y'all. It was just a $20 pillow that I saw and I love it, and I'm on the hunt looking for a second one because I want to make sure that I have two of it. Whenever I'm buying pillow from Home Goods, I always want to make sure like I have three or twos, because I just feel like decorating with throw pillows, decorative pillows, you need to, sometimes I just want to match it. I don't know why, but that's just me. And then on the fireplace, I'm just gonna leave everything the same, but I removed the flowers from that vase, which that was there for the spring. And then I'm bringing in some fall picks and just put them in there. Like I said, I'm not doing too much, but I am still getting the fall vibe. Like I'm looking for that cozy and welcoming space that I need for this fall. So that's exactly what I did. I left the fireplace everything the same, didn't remove anything from in space, and that is it. So this is it. This is everything I was able to do in this living room for this fall season. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. That will help me a lot to keep posting. I know that, like I said, I have been gone for a minute, but just because we were getting our house ready for the market and it was really hectic with all of the paperwork going on, y'all. It was just too much, but I am glad that it is on the market now, and we're only praying to God that we're gonna get a buyer and everything gonna go smoothly, and then we all can just move on. So yeah, so I want to say thank you so much for being here today. Like I said, thank you for being patient with me, sticking around, patiently waiting on me. Thank you guys so much for all of the love and the support. I hope you guys stay safe and be well. And it don't cost anything to be nice, but it costs everything to be mean. So just remember that being nice and being kind, that's the best way to go. So please comment down below and let me know what you think about this, my fall decorating. But without further ado, that will be it for today's video. I love you guys so much. Like I said, thank you for being here and thank you for all of the support, and I will see you guys in my next video. Have a great day. Bye bye.